Part number 4. Minus 4 by 9 power 2 and again we have power 8. Divided by minus 4 by 9 power 3 and again we have 5. And multiply by minus 4 by 9, and students, here we have no power. Means here we have power 1. When there is no power, there is power 1. So student, we start solution. We repeat our question. So first of all, what we have to do, we always convert double powers into single. We convert the double exponent into single exponent. This will always be our first step. So first of all, according to power law, if we have two powers, they will multiply with each other. We will multiply 2 with 8. Here we will multiply 3 with 5, and minus 4 by 9 will come as it is. All the bases will come as it is. Now 2 8s are 16, 3 5s are 15, and minus 4 by 9 will come as it is. Now here we have two operations, division and multiplication. So first we do division because Bode-Demas rule tells us first we divide, then we multiply, then we add, then we subtract. So first we divide. For this purpose, we will write both the bases once and we subtract the powers. Students, why we subtract the powers? Because it is quotient law of exponent that tells us when we have same bases, write the base once and subtract the power if there is sign of division between them. So we subtract the power 16 minus 15, and this minus 4 by 9 will come as it is. Now subtract them. 16 minus 15 is 1. 1 means we can write minus 4 by 9 as it is, because if there is no power, there is power 1. Now students, simply multiply these two values. Minus will multiply with minus, we get plus. 4 4s are 16 and 9 9s are 81. 16 by 81 is our answer. Part number 5. 1 by 10, 3 and 2. 3 and 2 double powers are given to us. Here again 6 and 3 double powers are given to us, and here we have only 25. So students, what we have to do, we will first of all convert these double power into single power. How? By multiplying it. 3 will multiply with 2, 6 will multiply with 3. So first of all, we must remember, we first convert the double powers in single power. This will be our first step. So 3 multiply by 2, similarly 6 multiply by 3, and this 1 by 10 will come as it is. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and 1 by 10 power 25. Now students, here we have two operations, one is multiplication and one is division. So what we have to do first, we will divide first, because according to Bode-Demas rule, we will divide first, then multiply, and then addition, and then subtraction. So we will first operate this division. How? We will write 1 by 10 once. We will write 1 by 10 once, and we subtract the power according to quotient law, because sign of division is there, so we will apply quotient law over here. So subtract these two ones. 25 minus 18 is what? 7, and sign will come that is here with the larger value. 25 is larger, so sign of minus will be there with 7. Now students, here we have 1 by 10, here we have 1 by 10, same bases are there, and sign of multiplication is there. So we have to apply product law over here. What is product law? We will write both the bases once, 1 by 10, and we add the powers. Add 6 and minus 1 by 7. 6 plus minus 1 by 7. Now here we have two signs together, so they are going to be multiplied, plus minus minus. 6 minus 7 will become what? Minus 1. Now convert this negative exponent in positive exponent. How? By taking reciprocal of 1 by 10. Now what is the reciprocal of 1 by 10? That is 10, and negative exponent will be converted into positive 1. So 10 is our answer. Homework. Students, solve the same question that we did in our today's class, question number 6 of review exercise on your NEET register, and submit your images till 9 p.m. on 22nd June, means you have to submit your work today till 9 p.m. and late submitted work will not be checked. So student, be regular and send the images on my WhatsApp number in time. Jazakallah.